Thank you.
Hi, Miss Eliza.
Alisa.
Alisa. Alisa.
Ito okay, sir.
Okay. So what's your name?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can call me anything.
Oh, really? Wow. Okay, that's big. Okay. You're from Cebu, right?
I'm originally from Bohol, but I study in Cebu.
You're studying in Cebu. So when are you going back to Cebu?
Maybe this August 12, it's
So you will
almost
be
up.
staying here from now on until August?
I'm big going back to our province, sir.
From here.
Yeah.
When will that be?
Maybe 2 days from now.
2 days from
I just want to explore Cavite for a while and immerse myself here.
Okay. Because I'm actually leaving for school this.
What would that imply, sir?
Anyway, the barangay captain of Yunbing must have a very keen eye on women. A very good taste for, pretty girls, pretty faces. And I wonder why the wife of the kapitan still living with this kapitan until now. Anyway, for the last, Sir John Ray, the last not 10 years, except the COVID period, I think you've been and won 4 titles of Miss Mabao. No? 3? 3, no?
4.
4 ba?
Last year.
Last year. So that must be a very big pressure on your part.
Well, it is a responsibility, but I am just so blessed and grateful to have this opportunity, to have very supportive barangay capitans and local officials behind my back.
Okay. What do you think is your best asset?
I think it is obviously my height,
Your height.
yes. But besides that, with inner qualities, I can say that I am most authentically myself. I don't really find it very useful to memorize well. I'm not saying that it's bad to memorize answers, but it's very good to say some things that comes from the heart.
Okay. From the heart. You have a boyfriend?
No.
Okay. So what's the use of the heart?
It's for loving people who needs to be loved. It's not just for relationships. It's also for families, friends.
Very good. Well, talking about asset, I find your eyes the prettiest.
Thank you, sir.
The lips, the nose.
Well, I actually did my own makeup, so I'm just so thankful you said that.
Okay. The dimples. Do you have other dimples other than the one on the cheeks?
No, just this one, sir.
Okay, that's good. Anyway, you're an architecture student.
Yes.
What year are you in now?
I'm currently a second-year architecture student.
Okay. What perhaps is your favorite architectural style? The Baroque, the Gothic, the classical, the modern style?
For me, it's
For
Renaissance.
instance.
Yeah, because it speaks a lot about our history and it's very majestic for me because of its style. It's very different. It just sparks another interest to me.
Okay. Do you think architecture plays a role in, on environmental issues like global warming because we cut down trees, because we're building these huge art structures? Do you think that's contribution to global warming?
Well, yes, but we do have a building code in the Philippines. Yes, so we can balance out the regulations.
Do
Even
you
if,
think it addressed the issue?
well, not really, but that's why there's a building code for that. We can measure out if it's okay to build in that area, just like the pressing issue in Bohol where they built a swimming pool in the Chocolate Hill it was very controversial because it was unlawful, and it has to be taken out to the officials. That is why we have local officials also for that ordinance, so they can help balance out architecture while also conserving our environment.
Okay, are you open to the idea of limiting building heights just to preserve the environment?
Well, yeah, but there are also buildings that are eco-friendly. Just like in Thailand and Dubai, there are eco-friendly buildings. No matter how tall the height is, they would also make an initiative to keep our environment.
Like they plant some trees on top of buildings?
Yes,
Oh, really?
some buildings, yeah, really do that abroad.
Oh, like acacia on top of the sana, like that.
I don't think so. Just some trees that would be allowed.
Okay, just kidding. Anyway, in Mambaho, we also have building code which prohibits the building of high structured buildings. Okay, actually the highest is the one in Quezon. That's the most they could build. Okay. Do you think it's an advantage to Mambaho and community in general building high buildings?
Well, yes, since our focus here is the tourism and we value our tourism very much.
I would love to ask you more questions, but then perhaps we can do it somewhere in my office or.
Is it okay, sir?
Thank you.
Thank you.